Are you a woman over 50 and need to up your game on the rebounder? Well, today I am unboxing something very special. Join me while I unbox and show you what I got, and then I will do a quick demonstration. Cross rope, weighted mini jump rope. So you won't be tripping on the rope. These are mini jump ropes and they are weighted. Oh, let's open this box and take a look. All right, let's get rid of all this. The handles. What's cool about these handles is it won't make your hands sweat, so it has a good grip to it. They have ball bearings, and so check this out. There's 3 different sizes in here. We have a 1/4 pound, we have 1/2 pound. 1/4 pound sounds like a hamburger, huh? 1/4 pound, 1/2 pound, and a full pound weight that has an easy clip-on. Check this out. Clip on, really quick. Let's do the other one. Oh, and guess what? Bluetooth. So you can connect it to an app and it counts how many reps you do. That's pretty cool, right? All right, so let's get this other one on. And while I jump and do a few things, I'm going to tell you about the wonderful benefits of these are called crossrope, ropeless jump ropes. All right, so we're going to get started. You're going to step up on your rebounder. Get the music going. This is low impact. Well, you know what? Forgot to put my hair back. Oh, give me a second. Okay, come on. Okay, all right, here we go. Keeping it low impact. This is going to be a little bit of a cardio workout. We're doing a health bounce, just pushing down on the mat. Now, just roll the shoulders back a little bit. Good. Make sure you engage that core, keep it nice and tight, all right? But we're going to do just a little bit, not too much today, just to show you. We are going to just do a health bounce and we're going to go forward. Keep your elbows to your side. All right, yes. So this helps with coordination. These are very convenient, versatile, and you could take them anywhere with you, right? Yeah. So this is, like I said, has the ball bearings. So it's precision spinning. Sweat proof, easy to clip on and clip off if you want to change the size. All right, relax the shoulders. Now we're going to change it up. We're going to do some heel digs, and I'm going to go backwards with the ropes. Hopefully all right, so I'm going to go heel dig like this. Again, low impact, and we're going to go backwards. This is great cardiovascular workout, good for the heart, the lungs. Actually, it's good for your whole body. Good for the core, shoulders, arms, the biceps and the triceps, and your back. You keep that core tight. All right, and step side to side, rest a minute. If you don't have these, which you probably don't because they're fairly new, do the workout without these, but just use your arms. Now we're going to go back to forward again, but we're going to do scissors. You can step up and back if you want, or you can go left and right scissors. And again, to the front. All right, so Again, step up and back and do it. Going forward. I can feel this is really working my arms. I need it. All right, now, scissors. So we're gonna do scissors. Let's do doubles. So helps with coordination, like I said, good brain health, because we're doing two things at once, scissors and forward. Just start out kind of slow. Now, we're gonna change it up a minute. We're gonna do knees up, one leg at a time. To about 10 and switch. And now I'm going to add the arms. All right? But I'm going to use one at a time, like this. That really gets your brain working. It also helps with balance, like I said, coordination. On the leg you're standing on, you soften the knee. Don't lock the knee. You don't want to hurt your knee or your back. Okay? I'm telling you. All right, let's go to the other side. Keep that elbow close by your arm. Close by your side. It's kind of cloudy today. Oh, it's starting to rain. I hope I have enough light in here. Okay, side to side. Now, just a little, we're doing little shifts. Kind of like a boxer step if you've done jump roping before. Now, on this one, keep doing the boxer step. Stand up straight, relax the shoulders. They're down and back, but this one is going to be a little challenge, okay? Just now just do a little shift with your feet, lifting your heels, pushing down. Bring your arms up here and go. Yep, I told you. And don't let these little things hit you. I say it like that. Don't let them hit you. All right, y'all. Don't laugh. Oh, you can laugh. Laughter is good medicine. Now, basic bounce. Baby bounce. Baby. Keep it low. Baby bounce. And go back to forward swings. You don't have to do them as fast as I'm doing it. I just think that I like doing it fast. I can slow it down a little bit. I just think it's easier. You can go front, you can go back. Push down now if you want. Get a little power in those legs. All right, slow it down. Now let's just do step out to the side. Come on, Cheryl, get it together. Step out to the side. Kind of like walking and chewing gum, right? You gotta think. Okay, relax your shoulders, Cheryl. Relax. One leg hop. It's your bonus. It's your bonus. And switch. Almost done. This is Roa music. I love his music. It's all peppy. Now, kicks. Okay, bring it down, Cheryl. Go back to health bounce. We are almost done. Finish with forward with the health bounce. On this one, you really have to concentrate by keeping your shoulders down because you feel like you want to do this and that'll hurt. All right, forward and backwards and V or over the head. Your choice. Yay! I have some more, but I think I'm gonna stop for now. So what do you think, ladies or guys? You think you want to get these? I'll give you a little bit more information next time. All right. Hey, I think I want to show you. Give me a second. Get this out over here. You see, it's raining. We need the rain. Thank you, Lord, for the rain. Oh, yes. All right. Thanks for joining me. Bye.